Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Mailchimp subscription. So if you already have your paid plan and you want to cancel it, you will find it when you go to your profile icon right there at the top. Now you're gonna click on account and billing, and this will open up this page, and then you're gonna click on settings and manage my plan. And from here you will see the option to pause your account. So I don't have this option, but you will see this pause my account option. As I have a free account, then I only can delete my account or remove and disable. So here I have a websites plan and marketing plan, which is free, and the websites plan, which I paid for. So I can change my plan right there and just basically click downgrade the plan. And after that, you just downgrade it to free. And yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.